Welcome back, dear students. So in the last session, the last video, we solved example number 4 of exercise 1.1, example number 2, solving the simultaneous equation. Now we are going to solve example number 5. So equation is 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3, x plus 5y equal to 4. So I will write down this equation 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3. We'll name this as equation 1. Below this equation, you have to write this equation x plus 5y equal to 4. We'll name this as equation 2. Now you can see here, look at the coefficient of x. So here it is 5, here it is 1. Nothing is there means 1. So cross multiply, will multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 5. So multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 5. After doing multiplication, what do we get? This equation will remain unchanged. So we can write this equation as it is. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. This we will write it as 3, and you have to multiply each and every term of this equation with 5. 5 ones are 5. So this will become 5x, 5 5s are 25. Y is equal to 5 4s are 20. This we will name is 4. And now what we have to do? We have to cancel this x, eliminate this x in order to solve this equation. So we'll do minus. So this will become minus. This plus will become minus. This will become minus. Plus minus gets cancelled. 2y minus 25y. It will become what? 25 minus 2. Opposite sign subtraction and will give the sign of greater number. So 25 minus 2 is 23. Which is bigger number? Which is greater number? 25. So it carries minus sign, negative sign. So this will carry negative sign. 23y is equal to. And same sign, addition. And give the sign of common number. Okay. So here this 20 carries negative sign, this 3 carries negative sign, so this will be, will have to add it. 20 plus 3, 23, and common sign, minus is common sign, so we'll give it minus. So here we get minus 23y is equal to minus 23. Minus minus will become plus, this 23 will go down, y is equal to 23 upon 23. 23 ones are, 23 ones are. So what do we get? Y is equal to 1. So this is our first value, first solution. Y is equal to 1, and this value of y will put in either of this equation. Either you put it in equation 1, still you will get the same answer, or you put it here in the second equation, still you are going to get the same answer. So I think for easy calculation we should put it in 2. So let us put y is equal to 1 in equation 2. So x plus 5y is equal to 4. First write down the equation as it is, then put the value of y here. So x plus 5 into y means into 1. Value of y is 1 is equal to 4. X, 5 ones are 5 is equal to 4. Transfer this 5 on that side. So it will become minus. Plus will become minus. Plus 5 will become minus 5. So this will be 4 minus 5. X equal to minus 1. So this is your second solution. Therefore we can write solution of the above given equation is -1, comma 1. X comma y. X comma y. So value of x we will write first and then value of y. So this is the solution of example number 5. Thank you.